Namaste everyone, warm Rotaract greeting. Hope you all are doing well in this pandemic. I am Rotaractor Vipana Rana, creative lead of First Self-Charter Club, Rotaract Club of Bedbas, RI District 329 to Nepal and Bhutan. And I am here present with the monthly video. Firstly, let me introduce Rotaract Club of Bedbas. It's a first self-chartered club of RI District 329 to Nepal and Bhutan, a female-oriented club chartered with the aim of serving the society with new vigor and resilience. So now let's hear it out from our charter president, Rotaractor Sanju Ghale.
Namaste. A very warm Rotaract greetings to all. I am Rotaractor Sanju Ghale, charter president of Rotaract Club of Bedbas. Rotaract Club of Bedbas is the first self-charter club of RI District 3292, Nepal and Bhutan. Rotaract Club of Bedbas is a female-oriented club where we young female Rotaractors have come up together to reach the motto Fellowship through Service. First of all, let me introduce you all to our Rotaract Bedbas family.
Namaste, it's me, Rotaractor Muna Gurung, Vice President of Rotaract Bedbas.
Hello and namaste to everyone. Myself, Rotaractor Susmita Rekmi, the Charter Secretary of Rotaract Club of Bedbas, RI District 3292, Nepal and Bhutan.
Namaste, I am Rotaractor Akriti Prasani, Treasurer of Rotaract Bedbas.
I'm Rotaractor Sujan Phul, Club Service Director of Rotaract Bedbas.
Namaste and hello everyone. It's me, Rotaractor Pooja Lamithani, the Community Service Director of Rotaract Bedbas.
Namaste everyone, I am Rotaractor Srijana Pariyar, Professional Service Director of Rotaract Bedbas.
Namaste, I am Rotaractor Pravina Karsa, International Service Director of Rotaract Club of Bedbas.
Namaste, I am Rotaractor Ashrita Shrestha, Sergeant at Arms of Rotaract Bedbas.
Namaste everyone, myself Rotaractor Elisa Pariyar and I am the proud member of Rotaract Bedbas. Thank you.
Namaste and hello everyone. It's me, Rotaractor Manisha Shrestha. I'm the charter member of Rotaract Bedbas. Thank you.
Namaste everyone. This is me, Rotaractor Vidisha Paudel, a proud charter member of Rotaract Bedbas. Thank you.
Namaste, it's me, Rotaractor Sina Gaire, proud charter member of Rotaract Bedbas.
Hello, myself Rotaractor Priksha Pargudi. I am a proud member of Rotaract Bedbas. Thank you.
Namaste, I am Rotaractor of Chaharka, member of Community Service Committee of Rotaract Bedbas.
Namaste everyone, it's me, Rotaractor Rosni Malla, and I am the member of Rotaract Bedbas.
Namaste, I am Rotaractor Inza Shrestha, charter member of Rotaract Club of Bedbas.
Namaste, I am Rotaractor Shobha Gurung, member of Rotaract Bedbas.
So it was the introduction of our members. Rotaract Bedbas has its theme of creativity and continuity. With this year Rotaract District theme of creating value, our club will be giving continuity and creativity in every project we do. In 3 months, we have been able to organize 16 different projects in different avenues. Now let's hear it out from our creative lead, Rotaractor Vipana Rana.
Here are projects, updates and highlights of projects we have done in 3 months. We successfully organized 16 projects in total in the last 3 months, that is from August to October. We did 8 projects in Club Service Avenue, 5 different projects in Community Service Avenue, 1 in the International Service and 2 in Professional Development Avenue. Talking about Club Service Avenue, on date of 21st August 2020, we Rotaract Bedbas organized program named Sukha Dukha Ko Sathi on the occasion of these, with the aim to increase fellowship among the newly chartered and share experiences of life. On 25th August 2020, we participated in Creativity Through Sketch organized by Rotaract Club of Birganj. Rotaractor Srijana Pariyar and Rotaractor Elisa Pariyar were participated in that program. where Retractor Srijana Pariyar dragged the third position, which is big achievement to us. We also collaborated in virtual discussion forum organized by Rotrack Club of Central, Rupandehi, Finau Butal and Pokhara Fistal on 9th of September 2020. The main objective of this collaboration was to learn different topics from 3 different personalities and maintain further relationship among other Rotrack clubs. We also participated in First President Secretary Meet Rota Year 2020-21 on 26th September. Our few Rotractors also performed on a song virtually. On 1st October 2020, we Rotrack Big Bass participated in charter presentation ceremony of Rotrack Club of Bimad, where the District Governor of RI District 3292 Rotarian Rajiv Pokhrel were present as chief guest and District Rotrack Committee Chair Rotarian Subhash Siddal were present as a special guest. On 22nd October 2020, we the Rotrack Bedbass and Rotrack Kapundal organized
Twinship signing ceremony
and Dasai greetings exchange. We both clubs officially signed Memorandum of Understanding in the presence of Zonal Rotrack representative of Zone 3 and 8, Rotractor Sandeep Paudel and Rotractor Dolma Sherpa respectively. On the same date, our 3 members participated in Sat Sabeko Celebrating with Smiles organized by Rotrack Club of Budani Kantha. On 31st October, we organized Fellowship Picnic or Trip to Bandipur with the aim to increase fellowship and sisterhood among members. Talking about projects on Community Service Avenue. On date of 15th August 2020, we celebrated birthday of our charter president Rotractor Sanju Ghale in old age home with the aim of helping elderly people with the necessary stuffs. And we also organized a program named Learning Beyond Wall on 1st October 2020, where we made Bedbass Jyeshtha Nagarik a free Wi-Fi zone with the aim to give the access of internet to elderly people and so that they can learn new things and entertain themselves. Rotrack Bedbass and Innerville Club of Tamoli jointly organized Sahayog Hastantran Karyakram with the aim to support and help in the livelihood of elderly people residing in old age home on the same day. From 22nd September to 3rd of October 2020, Rotrack Bedbass and Innerville Club of Tamoli jointly organized Never Too Late to Learn, Sikai-ko Umer Hudaina program supporting Rotary Nepal Literacy Mission. Here we taught 10 amas to write their names and made them able to sign. This is a phase 1 of our program and we like to thank to all the supportive hands. On 24th October, with the aim of making the street children even more happier, we Rotrack Bedbass organized Offering Happiness, where we bought them clothes to 4 children. We collected from selling the unused clothes of all the members in the thrift shop in International Service Avenue. We Rotrack Bedbass collaborated with Rotrack Club of Vapi West for the program POST, which stands for Prevention of Sexual Harassment, right on date of 24th October 2020. And for the professional development, on date 15th of August, we successfully organized General Member Orientation Program, where trainers from Training Forum, Protractor Risiraj Adhikari and Protractor Yuvraj Rai trained the Protractors. On 10th of October, we Protract Bedbas successfully attended Club Officer Training Seminar organized by Protract District 3292 and hosted by Zone 3, RI District 3292, Nepal and Bhutan.
So these were the updates of these 3 months, and we promise we'll get back soon with the next monthly video. Till stay tuned, take care, namaste.